Hey everybody, I just wanted to talk to you about Sportsman's Warehouse balloon pop sale. So they do this occasionally, and the way it works is there will be balloons in there. You go in, you have to do your shopping, and then when you go to check out, you get a balloon. Uh, they've changed it up this most recent time. Used to you get the first 300 people would get a balloon regardless. If you had a Sportsman's reward, if you had a rewards account, you would get that balloon and a gold balloon, and you would pop them both, and they would have coupons inside from 5 to 100% off. So having two balloons gives you a better chance of getting the bigger discount. The one they did today, most recently, well, it's going to be like, I don't know, a week or so ago by the time you guys are watching this, but you only get one balloon, and you can get a gold balloon if you have a uh, rewards program. So the strategy I like to do is I'll go stand in line. I like the experience and just hanging out with everybody there, and then making sure I'm one of the first 300 in. And then what I do the week before is I'll shop for bigger items. Now, if you really want a gun that they have, that's great, but that part of the store is always a zoo. It's a good time to buy safes, optics, big ticket items. So what I like to do is I'll go in there and I will, if it's a big thing like a safe or a big dog kennel or something like that, I'll take a picture of the barcode with the SKU on it. And then whenever I get in, I'll get my ticket for my balloon. And then I will just go to the register and show them the thing, the optic, the whatever it happens to be that I want to try to get a big discount on, a grill, something like that, or a smoker, pellet smoker. And then that way, if I in the past, pull like a 5%er, it's not a big enough discount that I want to spend that money, then I could say, oh, never mind, cancel the transaction. There's nothing to restock. I've seen other people, they'll pull up with a big shopping cart full of stuff and then bail, and then they just leave it, and then the employees have to restock everything. I think that's kind of a jerk move. So I try to eliminate that. Like, I'm not above abandoning the purchase, but I don't want to leave a cart full of stuff. So in this most recent one, the bottom was changed from 5 to 10%. So you get a 10% off minimum. And then if you have a rewards account, then your minimum is 15%. So you're getting 15% off regardless. And if it's on sale, it stacks. So for instance, the Vortex optics were all on sale 15%. So whatever coupon you pull discounts it further from the discounted price. So that's my strategy. That's how I got my gun safe. I just went in, shopped the week prior. They usually give you at least a week's heads up. And I went in there and, picked out the safe, picked out an optic. I try to do this for like bigger ticket items. It's also a good time to buy ammo because pretty much any discount on ammo is good, especially if you're starting at 15%. And the way it works is the lower discounts. So in this case, I'm a member, so I'm going to just ignore the non-member stuff. And it's super easy to sign up, so there's no reason not to be a member if you're going to shop there. The 15% coupons, there's going to be way more of those. And then the 20, the 30, the higher up you get, I think the last time I really read the fine print, I think there was 2 100% coupons, and then 4 or 5 50 or 75% coupons, and then so on and so on. So there's a little bit more the lower the discount gets. And then when you get down to the lowest discount, that's going to be the bulk of everything. So that's anytime they have one of those, I'll look around and see if I want to get something. And I could always default to ammo because I'm always going to need ammo. So I'm going to go through and show you what I got this time. So, speaking of ammo, I ended up pulling, I got 5 boxes of PMC X-Tac 5.56 55 grain, just your regular old ball target ammo. Kind of restock the ammo cans with those. I got 4 boxes, 4 50-round boxes of PMC bronze 9mm Luger 124 grain. Same thing. Just kind of want to keep practice ammo topped off. And I got 4 boxes of 45 ACP 230 grain full metal jacket for same purpose, target ammo. Last time I went out and shot, and I did those videos of me doing drills with the new Glock 17. I wanted to bring my STI DVC P, but I was kind of running low on 45 ammo, so got some more of that. So that's the ammo portion. So the ammo, I went ahead and that was in the cart, and I was going to get that regardless of what the discount was, because at least 15% off, that's good enough. I ended up pulling a 30% off this time. There's a little bit of foreshadowing. Got the Mountain Pass tripod, and also ended up getting the Razor 20 to 60 by 85 angled spotting scope. I'd been wanting a spotting scope for a long time, and I saw an opportunity and I took it. So it was, Vortex was 15% off, and I got an additional 30% off. Pretty sweet. So Vortex has an awesome warranty, and I have several of their other products, and I like them. They've worked fine for me. I haven't had to use the warranty. But if you see the balloon pop sale, it's worth going in. Now, if you're going to go in, if you want a gun, I would definitely recommend getting in line before these. It's one of those things. It's like a pre-sale, so you can get in line. You're going to have to get in line before the store opens if you want to be anywhere near one of the first people in the store. The reason why you'd want to be one of the first people into the store is so you could get back to the gun counter and do it, because they always have it roped off and you have to start a line, and the line's like wrapping around, because getting a significant discount on a firearm doesn't happen all that often. So everybody's and their goat's trying to do it. So the gun counter is always kind of a madhouse. That's why I try to stay away from there. But it's a good way if you need to save some, or you want to save some money and you're in the market for a firearm. I would shop the week before, like find out what you want, do all of your handling and, dry firing, manual of arms stuff to see which gun you want. So that way, when you get there, you're like, I want whatever. The last gun I bought, I was like, I would want a Glock 17 Gen 6, for instance. I didn't get it at the balloon pop, but that's the last one I bought. You go there, they pull it out. You're just like, boom, let's get this party going. And you're not wasting your time in the crowded store. You're not wasting the people's time behind you. You're just ready to rock. Yeah, so hope that helps. If you see the balloon pop sale, they're worth it. Anything in the store qualifies. The last time I read the fine print, it's supposed to cap out at like $5,000. But the first time I participated, I got the safe and I got a Vortex Razor Gen 3 1 to 10 LPVO, and it came out above. It was more than 5,000. I think it was like 6,000 something, and they gave me the discount on all of it. So keep that in mind. Hope that helps.